It's saying a box is containing 4 red and 5 black marbles. Find the probability distribution of the red marbles in a random draw of 3 marbles. If you're drawing 3 marbles, what all can happen is what you got to say here. And so basically, the this is what gives a random variable is. So random variable meaning that if you're drawing 3 marbles, right? 3 marbles, then it could be that there may be a zero marble, it could be zero red. So we are looking at probability distribution of the red marbles. So this X variable is representing how many red marbles you are drawing out of 3. So it could be that you've drawn all the black marbles, B, all black marbles. So it means that it is 0, red marbles is 0. Then it could be red marbles is 1, it means that BBR, RRB, RRBB or BRR basically. So that's another one as a like one red marble could be drawn. There could be 2 red marbles drawn or there could be 3 red marbles drawn. So these are the possibilities. So once you write this down, this is what is called the random variable. This is called the random variable. And this random variable is representing how many red marbles are drawn if you are drawing 3 marbles from the bag containing 4 red and 5 marbles, five black marbles. So this is what is the idea here. Now, if I'm looking at in how many ways can I draw 3 black marbles out of this, right? So this probability of this is basically I'm just drawing all the black marbles, so meaning that this is 5C3 divided by 9C3. Can I say that? Okay. Then the other one is I am drawing 2 black and 1 red, meaning that it's basically uh, 4C1 into 5C 4C1 into 5C2 divided by 9C3, and here it would be 4C2 into 5C1 upon 9C3, and here it will be 4C3 upon 9C3. So this is what is my this is when I write this down, this is what is called my probability distribution. So I got to calculate it. Okay. So so here what they're asking me to find the mean and standard deviation. So mean mu was defined as this. Now you pi, call this pi as well, call this as xi. So your mean is defined as sigma pi xi. So all you got to do is that you got to multiply this pi xi and find out the summation. So 0, I'm not calculating this. I need to calculate this and this and this. So this will be actually equal to 4C1 into 5C2 divided by 9C3 plus 2 times 4C2 into 5C1 divided by 9C3. And then lastly, it will be 3 into 4C3 upon 9C3. So this is what is my mean. So this is 112 upon 84. This will be so 4 by 3. So this will be 1.33. Okay, this is fine. So great drawing 3 balls out of 9. So that's what it is. So mu we have calculated while we are trying to calculate the what else we are supposed to calculate? The standard deviation. For the standard deviation, the formula is well basically what is the formula for the standard deviation? For sigma square, the formula is basically sigma pi xi square minus mu square basically. And then the standard deviation would be square root of that. So I have to find out uh, this part. Okay. So until now I've just done xi, I've not done xi square. So I'll have find out xi square too, which is gonna be equal to 0. This will be 1. This will be 4. This will be 9. And then I have to do this pi xi square. Pi xi square. If I do this part will be 0. This part will be 1 into 4C1 into 5C2 upon 9C3. This part will be 4 into 4C2 into 5C1 upon 9C3, and then 9 into 4C3 by 9C3. So then we will evaluate sigma square here. side by side. So sigma square would be this sigma. Let's evaluate sigma itself. So sigma would be square root of now sigma pixi square. Basically, now I have to write down all this number. So what I'm doing is this part is 0 plus. Now this I'm looking at this 4c1 into 5c1, whatever I've evaluated. I'm just trying to copy that over here because this part is same. This part is same. Only thing is this is one is multiplied. So first part is gonna be same, which is 40 upon 84. The second part is gonna be like here it was 2 into 30 upon 84. Now it is gonna be 4. So this will be 4 into 30 upon 84. And then last it will be 9 into this is 4 upon 84. Now this is fine. And then my mu square is 4 by 3, which is 16 by 9. So let's try finding out. This is gonna be 84. This will be 40 plus 120 plus 36 minus 16 by 9, which is gonna give me 120, 160, 196 upon 84 minus 16 by 9. So, okay. So we'll चार चौके 16 4 नंबर 36 21 चौके 84. So 49 by 21. So okay, this is I think we'll have to use calculator eventually. So 49 into 9.